so Adom TV so betwentwe medie so dia we can say on sempan sa kana no pensu ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunyana me kono quantum coding small do sa kana no penso e wo Ghana agudie ejaw she no soma msanyuma ko no emiensa o madama o na bom ska dwete me na no penso ye den komo no eba one expert I've always told you that betting there is better than sakawa utwa de before din before utwa ne kuma bi adu kuma sa no manum ka kire abusuanfo na hofo yere ma ofase fo na na mukunu ompranfo nyina se one expert ene na ma boys enya mo financial freedom last year emumtini di bronya no new year so one expert and the room Ghana man so the one expert and the room sell but more than that bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere enya ya no eno and the bet uni mu firi nwotwe so emfa ho nyim e mo per bet there a one expert ho dance here and a medi e the amount no jeffas mixture infections edo tetahwe abo prapro harawa na mrebo ho e ma otimi nchineche gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis wife ita na so dey poor na chewa won set me ka jeffas a betia abo ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops na mu won sabetia ka jeffas mixture na abo e ma niam etua tutu ye e the amount sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan yaudie for pampa so be primonase a edure to asese home Kotema Main Market Ashaman so nye na obetia from so 0208219129 na on a sedimo gel and roll-on from paying for Yentwitwin komo yenhwemwa emaniama 822 ye emfama o madama wo mena etechira abo mena no penso yede nkomo no etimi ejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yenhwase emfa fi Spanish La Liga emno match ba ko kansin semu na Villarreal o mo chigatefi etwema kamienu emagatefi etekane ba ko Argentine player and who say OG FIFA best player 2022 abas body na ultimate sampa my gina platform so na ni agimesi ho esan say abrante ne bobo too much and then right OG abas body na ese nika Karim Benzema ne Kylian Mbappe o mekon sapan intini e bai no but if any nchirem e Ghana ha dia na Jamaican sprinter or legendary Jamaican air sprinter ne din any Asafa Power na Asafa Power America two dia 2 times record ultimate saje no na utumi kate semframa ene wodane etina sa kire Ghana ha na nkrane chese Ghana Olympic Committee fompenfo ene ton sande fe papa isi omra na omeboy nkomo hakra na ni nyina ne se o ne yire fe ne se Alicia Power o Ghana ni de hye na otusu se omu fi Cape Coast ono Jamaica fo no omu ni nchi fi Cape Coast enti obai Cape Coast ho na 6 match obedi no obesan o ka chacha na na matrankonya na afi oni o matime se dis a so ne ade ade a nyame adoma obesan ba akra ha na afi obetwem asako
Jamaica America tuni Asafa Power enra anyway we shende ni be pure my Ghana mu ha nipa dodo na kopie kurutuka we mpyenjina bia ho ekoko hia no we nyina kansra hwe ye ode be pem so my Ghana mu sene be ya obesua de na nimdi owo no so ode o ma foforo Ghana Olympic Committee eni mperifu edimu nu na ekohia papa ya omoma na kwaba ye kan America tuo mu de 100 meters no I'm
happy to be here and to really share my experience, and to teach in whatever way I can, so you guys can live through me, and hopefully I can be back here a lot more, and to share everything and to spend time with my family here in Ghana. I have a long list of things that I have to get done while I'm here. I have to meet a lot of people, and I'll be seeing a lot of the country. And as the week go on, you guys will see a lot of updates and stuff that I'll be doing.
Now GOC wadano beninu mensa so say nani ajepa ohwe papa nimdie ene abakwasem ya owo omnikatu mu a ensra hwe ye ode bepem so my Ghana mu no ehun beba mfaso e dia mama mu no nyina.
I mean, when you hear the story of Asafa, then you know that every kid in Bukom, every kid in Nima, every kid in most of our deprived area can also one day become somebody like Asafa Powell. So that's the whole story. Asafa is here to inspire every Ghanaian doing sports, every child on the street who wants to take our sports. He's here to inspire you. Asafa is here for everybody. Fortunately for us, Asafa is our in-law because Asafa is married to a Ghanaian. So, we're going to make the best use of him and make sure we get every bit of it. But remember, Asafa didn't pay all the bride price when he took Alisa away, so I'm sure guys will start demanding that money from him.
Enti Asafa Power Jamaican sprinter, the legendary athlete, and I will tell you cancer no be P Ghana ha na GOC president Penu no mensan so preaching Asafa Power na yiri efi Ghana hanom ke pusie so ba binyame Adom beku guamamu na one penfo atiansa kwotranse but yensa amra mu bion dia Christian Atwutwa Sam amanfo be kanano da eye asase wo so epie mu e Turkey na de ato nche bebere tiensa ba dan ne japade bebere seye no na ba bia Christian Atwutwa Sam osina kan no na afeti obi penu na msoma branti ye de na bebere na ehwe na kire ekuhun no na sa branti na nkati asfo ho bio aban aboa me de na bepie mu Ghana ha eno a etimi etu na mode ni tiensa kire Christian Atwutwa Sam na busuafi ene mpenfo ho no adwetwe nkom no mo kire se nyame adoma eye on the 4th of March omo hwe nim se kwa biaso no omo betimi edi eye ne 1 week.
Christian Atwutwa Sam Ghana player atwenkyere ma asase wo so epie mu e wo Turkey no o kan kine gu ni fie ni abepie na yenya owura nunyamfo bakwa ne behwehwe nkomo brief ni ahwe the latest on sena nema esi course with regards to sa abrante ne kan kine gu na afi nhihia ahodo ampenfo de atudwa yewrewre ma hu se ne nipa akra bi na asa abodwa ha na omse mo botai bi wo mani so ne a mo dintina ase ne haidin kakra no me patcho frozen
Femi Robert
patcho yo hwan
actually in na enwa ketwa
what did he find?
I'll skip that question. We'll skip that.
Oh, okay. Wadama, I'm saying, a befia na say hiding a crowd na koso.
And then no activities are any 1 week. I was say on the 4th of March. 4th of March, in a year and a year 1 week to celebrate Yenjano and to create an awareness of the year. No? So on the 4th of March, I Saturday I by watching an park as to Tefneso. It be did 1 week na the agency na etudra. Amagana menina da ye na ye be my no. The befitting burial that he deserve.
Okay. 4th of March na 1 week and amoye.
Yes, 1 week celebration.
Okay, it's 1 week no. Yen tiese na no fia da mo ko share sports minister any Ghana Football Association for na e dey nkomo.
It was all geared towards the preparation of the 1 week. I would say Achu Akoye state person media. And Ada Yedenibaye, so it was His Excellency the President Nana Ado Dankwa Ekufuado. He was the one who gave the instruction. As when the thing happened, he took keen interest in it, and first of all, we'd like to thank him so much. Sir, he took personal interest in the whole situation, and he instructed the relevant stakeholders involved to get him out of wherever he was. But unfortunately, no, we couldn't get him how we wanted. But he didn't end it there. He went further, made preparations, and then they brought him back home, and we are very grateful. Say Otusa Anamono. He wasn't around, so the Vice President, His Excellency Mahmoud Baumia, by Ebishia and our airport, is a gesture. I mean, the family, we appreciate it so much, and we are grateful to them. So from there, we realized the thing has taken a national dimension, and Vice President Su Ekamwase said this is what His Excellency had said, and so we just have to collaborate with the state so that we plan this funeral and then do it well. So we share a Ministry of Youth and Sports on Friday with the GFA. It was just to get all the stakeholders together to see the way forward on the funeral. Asia Minister on Friday.
You have a catch again for for the very first time on a platform. So I say Bushani Bia, I see me by no. Jija aye maboto the people have a catch room.
Right from the very day 6th February now, I didn't see Ghanaians have been very supportive. I'm on for a bonfire, I'm on for a hit the only bia say a be home. Unfortunately, but it didn't come out the way we wanted it. But people are encouraging, Ghanaians are continuing to encourage the family, and we are grateful. And all I can say is, Nyame enema. And if God deems it fit, this is what should happen at this time. We cannot question God, but we have hope and we have the belief, Achu Eda baby pa, and where he is, I think, even though we may not like it, he will be rejoicing wherever he is, and that is the most important thing. And the Ghana from Nasi, with the kind of emotional support that they have been given so far. And then I won't forget again the state, His Excellency. I mean, Ghanaians have been very supportive, and we are grateful.
Where the emotional support now, Monyana,
personally, yes, because it's been overwhelming. Because we didn't think so. We know Achu a former Black Star player, but it's been overwhelming. Yes, that's what I was saying. Yes.
It's with the MC Yebijamo na Adom Seneka Sanso. Christian Achu Sam, Ghana former Black Stars player, and one that 20 MP mo ewo Turkey na sasa se wo so ne ba no Christian Achu Sam. Ehwe na chiri kwan hu no na on kanti as fo hu bi hu. Na busu efie nie na ne abusua yi ne se onkasa emfa fa yeyo no no ana otese ne ne kasa niti ha ne yede nko no besi nyame adoma bebisa ba kire biwa ye besa de abramo.
Enti Christian Achutwa Sam na busu afie nura ane de nitwensa kire ho mo koma panyina tran esan akobɔ mampanya ma ne yesi nyame adoma on the 4th of March no omo ebetimi edi ne 1 week niti nyame adoma yewese na hye ne besi akɔde afa 1 week adwumadi a omo betimi esan di wo ho no na ohwe se na ne ma sikɔ no ekɔ na Christian Achu ne krom hene kra be transia mugu so bese ho ebisi ebepene ebisi empene komo no ba ko fa maso achi nyame adoma mepem no mesan ede aba na afo se ne ma esi ekɔ but yenkom Asempa FM Sports Dialogue series no ni di kan party center of FM ewo Accra Digital Center ni Ghana Digital Centers no na odwoni 8 center nipa bebre na be pie mu George Akwasi afie former GFA boss odere ni kirase no ne nkoma ono so di jai ni.
And the mistakes referee committee no, you can't say these are mistakes. I met one referee who said, oh, what am for no match no, oh, yes, been go we are no, but why you lucky put my money me here draw. Oh yes. I'm telling you. And you see, when you hear this,
I'm not casting be. Could you mention you are catch it? Was it that game where I'm interested? So I gave him.
Now you see, Yanni say. Then when they finish, then they want to compare their game into the EPL. How do you do that? How do you do that? How do you want to improve the game where appointment of referees has been determined way back by some individuals?
Now those times no one.
But these things happen in our game. It's difficult to say it because people think, oh, okay. Me, I'll say it. No, but because I want the improvement of the game. I want people who are involved in administration of football to take their hands off. They should take their hands off and allow the game to be organized by the body that has been handed over. Say, people should take it.
Why FA president, man? I say former vice president of the FA, so vice crowd president. Our system no mukutel. More time, say ABNC.
Of course, say any pana wa power so. There are people who find their way for manipulation. It's always there. Yeah, but utia, that's very important. Okay. Utia. Minkasa ebia niema we no na started. But the rate at which the air cost is any there, I don't see a change. There's no change in this. This is rather getting worse.
George Akwasi, former GFA vice president, Nathan and Council in Como 8 to Japan and Como, they say, so share refi back or say, Wadam for no, Yasimin Kuviano, I was sending Yama is your course nearby. No, or could you find a Gaka Tibrekese, or no Sudan to Kumunim, and I heard Quanque Faso, and my fans as I back to your stadium.
Bet me mutual respect. Say a better respect one. Now, we'll be on more cash. There was no respect to. Was it that for me? It was Ukura. It was all that. It's no. I was a supporters. Yet to Omusunku. Omusu who say club no. Omusu or ruler or some play. It's a hard drink. You can't data. As I said, baby, I'm one. I'm the general secretary, so it's a privilege, you know. Yeah, who fancy statements are about the BR. It's we share numbers now. Numbers former and echo. No one be so say a DNA bar. Fact is, the American say, Bibri, Supporting you see a professional. Enye me dia check there way. Ghana supporters they are not doing anything for free. It is a white war supporter or no barber show match. Esantia sika e di hwewa also respecting pa. To my for respecting amount. Omo kan kire so mbeko strike o. And I say about 3 o'clock amomma. So that mutual respect is very, very, very key. The way I see no mubekasa. Me there me hu bi oboase. Me there me supporters no. Omo office was stadium ho. Omo meeting Thursday bia.
Inti ni ora kujo fia no ga katibere kese ono so edija no se support no kwa eyaye professional mafo be support o mo giska ahun kofo na kwata asafo power achi wa airport no o mo giska nti wenye obi na oba na obi tue ska san behwe de a na se so sai ne panim eye pa na communications director de ma Accra Great Olympics so ligbogbo agoso ora ne din ene sinto se ono so be pie dwumede na se na ne nkomonie.
Based on some of the things that some of you presented will say that will urge somebody to go to the stadium. In the past, the Joe Debres, the Francis Kumis, and what have you, you want to go and watch players like that. That are now radio station your common say, if you remember. But you love to go watch players like Francis Kumi, Adom, Issa, Abu Moro, and what have you. You know, now it was the name. All these things, players, talents that was being exhibited then, were all contributing factor to making people attend or go to the various stadiums. Okay. So, like I said, going back, how much is maybe government putting into this? How much are we ensuring?
Putting into what? Is it the league or
the league to ensure fans will go back to the stadium?
Buying?
Yes.
To say Accra Great Olympics for one more communication director Nathan and Council also say buying a role to play in all this say baby Tian Sabwa and my park na see stadium so e matches no aboma say be me de maso da me be see wa can see me be see na madawase one expert omo touch the project fast match abo machidom and afi said more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel so your DBA pain and out if you opampa so be pimo na se a etu ase yifri ho into kwotema me market and sabitia ka be shaman me market bi ho obetia from 020-821-9129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on yan twitwen komohwe mo a ema ne ma 1822 yin fam mada ma wo me touch the boy man no penso den koma hodo en sakan ewa wo kensim ne 18 esi ha na within the professor Yiki wala sa gudi catch back up and am gina of course evidence based sports presentation 18 jaw radin tinani ma onyo kese if be da so ni na on fan ko be da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.